How to change currency on CoinX. Hi everyone, welcome back to Trading for Beginners. Today I'm going to show you how to change the currency display on CoinX in a very simple way. First of all, open up the CoinX application or website and log into your account. Once you're logged in, go to your profile icon at the top left corner from the home screen. Now you'll come across this expanded menu where you'll need to click on Preferences. Inside Preferences, tap the Currency drop-down and choose a different currency you want to change to. After making your selection, you can get back to the home page and you'll be able to change your currency on CoinX immediately. The prices and balances in CoinX will automatically update and show in your chosen currency. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.